Hi and welcome to lesson 4. We will do the exercise 3. This is not a fully constrained drawing, but I will show you how to create circular features and patterns. We don't know where the circle of the hole starts, but we know it should be 5 spaced between 360 degree. And we do this exercise. We create a new design and we create this circle. See, it should be 45, diameter 45. And we should extrude it. And we not, we have 12. And we create a new sketch. And we have missed a dimension. We don't know the height, so I have been really lazy when I'm creating these drawings, but we take something. We can take like that. Now we should create the hole. We create the drawing, and normally it is a dimension. We have to set some kind of construction lines, and we select the lines and choose construction line. And we need a drawing like that, also a construction line, and we need and it could be 25. C 5. So this is poor beginner drawings, but it should be something like that, the first hole. And we cut it, we finish sketch. We go in the opposite direction, we can go through, see, yeah, it's straight through. And we take create, we should choose pattern, a circular pattern, and we choose features, go back in the timeline and choose it, and we can take the circle and we should have 5 holes. Done. Then we have created the futures looking like this. Thank you. Bye bye.